OPEX 11 is your local election headquarters, and the race for mayor has never been tighter than it is right now. And this is the day before primary day.
Yeah, really. Brand new exclusive polling unveiled by Pix 11 this morning shows former Governor Andrew Cuomo and Queens Assemblyman Zohran Mamdani neck and neck. Let's bring in our Henry Rossoff. And of course, you know, Henry, they say the only poll that matters is the one on election day. So what do you say, you know?
Well, I guess it's a good thing we have an election day tomorrow. Huh? So all this polling, we'll finally have a decision. It's really a mad dash to the finish line at this point. And in our brand new exclusive polling with Emerson College and The Hill, it's truly positive news, to be frank, for Queens Assemblyman Zohran Mamdani, particularly underscores how fluid this race for the Democratic nomination is. Queens Assemblyman Zohran Mamdani was swarmed by supporters while moving through the Inwood section of Manhattan just a day before New York City's citywide primary. It's people proof of new numbers that show a meteoric rise for the 33-year-old state lawmaker, from around 1% in the polls to now hitting 34% in the latest survey from Pix 11 and Emerson College. In the first round of this ranked choice voting simulation, he trails former Governor Andrew Cuomo by just 2 percentage points. In the final round, after all other candidates, including Comptroller Brad Lander, are eliminated and the second choices of voters are factored in, the polling shows Mamdani beating Cuomo 52% to 48%.
Time and time again, we've told that our campaign has a ceiling. We were told it was 5%, 10%, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now we're seeing, actually, there is no ceiling to this movement, because this is a movement for each and every New Yorker. It's a movement that speaks to the facts. This is the most expensive city in the United States of America.
Mamdani has benefited greatly from the cross-endorsement alliance he has with Lander, who says he has no regrets this campaign, regardless of what ends up happening Tuesday.
All you can ask in an election is to get to show people the kind of leadership that you can provide. And over the last 2 weeks, I've had the chance to do that. I feel great about where we are.